to dptutorials. In today's video, we will be learning how to create a Pareto chart in Excel. Pareto charts are a combination of bar and line graphs, which are used to identify the most significant factors in a dataset. They follow the Pareto principle, which states that 80% of the effects come from 20% of the causes. So let's dive in and learn how to create a Pareto chart in Excel. We have the complaints details of 16 features of a product, and let's create a Pareto chart now. Select the range from B7 to C23. Go to Insert. In the Statistics chart, select the Pareto chart. Now, you will observe that these features are arranged in the descending order of their respective complaints. And this line chart has been automatically generated. If you are using the previous version of Excel, you have to manually create this kind of graph. This line chart is on the secondary axis plotted with the percentage proportions of each feature to the total. So using this chart, you can prioritize on the top critical features so that you can solve most of your complaints or issues. Now adjust the formatting of this chart to make it better. So this would be the final output of the Pareto chart, and here are some of the examples of good charts. Pareto charts are a fantastic way to identify the most significant factors in your data and focus on the areas that will have the most impact. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. And if you have any questions or topics you would like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Thank you friends, thanks for watching.